Urgent address of the President of Ukraine, Volodymyr Zelensky. The nuclear power plant in Zaporizhzhia is mined and can be detonated at any moment. The situation is out of control. It was decided to create a special notification system for each city, which will instantly notify of danger and connect notifications. Putin is a total madman, and he is even ready to poison his own people and soldiers, only not to lose the war and his position. As Warthog Defense previously reported, Ukrainian forces crossed Dnipro River and created a foothold at Antonovsky Bridge, and they are attacking the first settlement on the other side. Yesterday, Russians reportedly attacked the Antonovsky Bridge on the left bank with Iskander ballistic missiles to oust Ukrainian forces dug in there. To no avail, Ukraine maintained presence, which has only increased. And in Bakhmut, Ukrainian forces are advancing from multiple directions to squeeze and apparently attempt to encircle a large enemy salient north of the city, including pincers developing at Berkivka and the strategic heights at Yakovlivka, where Ukrainians reportedly repelled Russian counterattacks. Considering the region's topography, we can quickly understand that the most important settlement in this region is Yakovlivka. Yakovlivka is located on a hill above both Soledar and Bakhmut, so by breaching the Russian defense here, Ukrainians will open access to the Russian rear. Meanwhile, Ukraine's 30th Mechanized Brigade and possibly other elements have reportedly pushed up to 1 kilometer into the northwest corner of this salient, along the highway to Sloviansk. Here, Ukrainian forces kicked off an assault with swarms of munition-dropping drones to soften up the invaders in a thicket of trenches, then harrowed them some more with a tank and artillery beatdown, followed by infantry who moved in for a trench cleanup. We continue with an Ukrainian Su-25s strike Russian positions with reportedly US-supplied Zuni missiles. For the first time during the war, Russian forces appear to have intercepted a Storm Shadow cruise missile fired by Ukraine. It is estimated that Ukraine has fired more than 40 Storm Shadows since first using them in May. This is the first confirmed interception, which was inevitable. In Moldova, an attack took place on Chisinau Airport. A Russian citizen who was denied entry into the country is reported to have grabbed the gun of a border guard and killed 2 people with it. He is now under arrest. Farming in Ukraine during the war requires taking great precautions against mines. This video shows the inventions of one crafty farmer.
Майстрував собі дерев'яний каток на довгій ручці, щоб обстежувати город, і власноруч зварив металеві капці.
Там, де нема тропинки, я отак ходжу. Тому що заліто. Малина, бджоли у мене, 10 уліків. А до них подойти страшно, тому що так все заросше. І єлі там ліпістки, ніхто ж не знає.
Фото цих саморобних міноходів ми показали головному саперу області. Чи ось такі металеві капці, вони врятують взагалі від пелюсток?
Захист будуть давати, забезпечувати, звичайно, але розраховувати на повну безпеку, звичайно, не можна.
Адже уламки летять на всі біч. Якщо натрапити на будь-яку іншу міну, не пелюстку, жодні саморобні капці не врятують.
Whilst the enemy are suffering supply problems and eating out of date rations, the Ukrainians are having pizza delivered to their trenches.
В ресторан окопчик. Давай. Спасибо, ребятки. Вот. Пожалуйста. Опа. Благодарочка. Будем рады заказать у вас снова. За быстроту благодарим. Вот он наш ресторанчик.
At the end, let's see the situation in France. Total anarchy reigns in France at the moment. The situation is worse than in 2005. Chaos broke. In Paris, police stations are burning, schools destroyed, looting at every turn. Over 70 big fires right now, not counting cars, garbage cans, and everything else. In addition to Paris, dozens of other big cities are fighting with the protesters. The special units are also involved. The French authorities said that they are not the first to give in, and that they will deal with everything that is happening.
Трактор починиться.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.